Hello my 3D printer peeps. I'm here with the Bambu Lab X2D, and sitting in front of it is the Vision Encoder. This giant plate debuted with the H series printers, the H2D, H2C, and H2S. That's right, this beautiful calibration tool is compatible with all three of those printers. Much to my surprise, upon the release of the X2D, there was also Vision Encoder capability. However, noting the size of this Vision Encoder, you'll realize it's not going to fit the X2D. However, this one will. That's right, Bambu Lab went through the trouble of adding Vision Encoder capability and manufacturing a specific Vision Encoder bed for this machine. Here is that bed. For those of you who don't know what the Vision Encoder is, it's an advanced calibration tool beyond what the machine can do without it. Using the X2D's AI cameras, the X2D will study this Vision Encoder and create a map to compensate for unique variances specific to your machine. All the tiny micro differences caused from manufacturing to shipping to your specific use for your specific machine that cause your machine to be slightly different than any other machine and then the machine itself might expect it to be. Using the cameras and the grids on this Vision Encoder allow the machine to study itself and learn those microscopic differences in order to compensate for them. What does this do? It gives your printer greater accuracy, especially in two scenarios: larger, taller prints and tolerances. That is, parts that need to be printed accurately in order to fit together properly. Printing parts that need to fit together properly using the Vision Encoder will create a better experience and more accurate tolerances so they fit with less tinkering, less dialing in, and less manual adjustments within the slicer. Coming in at a similar price point to the P2S, the P1S before it, and the X1C before that, the X2D comes with all sorts of new toys. This Vision Encoder calibration is one of them, and you should probably take advantage of it. Let's go ahead and see how it works. On the screen, touch in to the gear icon. Touch in to calibration, and touch in to motion accuracy calibration. Remove the bed currently installed and replace it with the Vision Encoder. Be sure to remove the plastic sheet. The machine will not notice the sheet and will run the entire calibration without telling you. Ask me how I know. Close the door and return to the screen. With the Vision Encoder in place, press Start. Your machine will go through 5 steps and complete the calibration. Here you will see the machine expects these hollow circles to be in line with these grid squares. Each hollow circle represents what the machine actually saw. These green dots represent the corrected calibration. You will see on this machine some of those original readings were dramatically wrong. According to my X2D, that has been corrected, thanks to the Vision Encoder. With the calibration completed, remove the Vision Encoder and replace it with your print bed of choice and get back to work. Having completed the Vision Encoder process, your machine should be calibrated to the best of its ability. This should bring you superior printing results and better tolerances. Heavy users with regular daily printing should run the Vision Encoder once every week or two. Those of you printing occasionally may run it less often, perhaps once a month or even as you feel fit. Since you spent the money, you might as well use it. I'm Mr. Greg. This is the Vision Encoder and you're on 3D Rundown.